When you're driving, you ever have that feeling that somebody's watching you? What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And yes, this is like the third flame kit video in a row, but I do want to go into detail because I know some people are asking me questions on Instagram, and I try to answer everybody. I keep getting a lot of questions, so I can't really keep up with them, but hopefully this answers some of your questions. Also, forgot to mention, I am sponsored by Hotluck, so please use my discount code to make a order on your own flamethrower kit. You can make it work on any vehicle, excluding Teslas. I mean, if you make it work on a Tesla, go for it. I would like to see that. Also, there are 87% of you guys that are watching that are not subscribed. Guys, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button. It really does help out a lot. It makes me feel better, makes me feel like I'm doing great. Maybe I'm not doing great. I don't know. Maybe that's why you guys aren't subscribing. No, I'm kidding. But no. Please, I know a lot of you guys watch that have not subscribed. I actually had somebody saying, I've been watching for so long and I realized I've not hit the subscribe button. So guys, here's a reminder, it only takes 1 second. Hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell, because every time I post, you're going to get notified. So yeah, I post mainly on Thursdays, but this week I posted Tuesday and Thursday. So every once in a while I'll get time to make 2 videos and actually have 2 ideas. So I've been trying to come up with 2 videos at once. It's kind of hard, especially when I'm busy with work and other things. So right down here is a button. So this button is what does all the magic. You go down the road, you give it some gas, you get the RPMs up a little bit high, you hold the gas just a little bit as you're holding the button, then you get your flames. Then you let go of the button, of course, before the car dies out. So basically, I did not install this kit, so any installation comments or questions, I don't know. I'm not a wiring guy. I'm scared to do wiring because I've heard nightmares of people that try doing wiring on their own and burn up their ECUs and stuff. I'm not about to do that. That's very scary. So I'm going to leave that to my Pab and my buddy Grant that both know wiring very well. I know it's kind of a sad thing, but I will learn it one day. It's just right now I'm still a little bit iffy about it. There are 2 coil packs in here, and there's also a wire or 2 that runs up towards the front underneath the wiring harness cover, which is where your ignition wires are. I do not remember which color the ignition wires are, but Google will give you that answer right away. So it runs into the ignition wires. So when you hit that button up there, and it will cut the ignition, which cuts basically the spark, but the fuel will still keep spraying out the injectors when you hit the gas, which causes the raw fuel to go through the exhaust. And as you're hitting the button at the same time, it goes to the coil packs right there and ignites the spark plugs, and that's of course the spark and flame or spark and fuel causes flame. So then you get your flame, and that's pretty much how that works. That's the best way I could explain it. That's how this kit works. So does this do damage to the motor? Absolutely not. Yes, your motor will sound like it's flooded. It'll start misfiring if you use it excessively. Mine has. Don't worry, it just means that there's a lot of gas in there, no spark, and it's causing the motor to flood out. Just stop hitting the button. The car's straightened itself out. I promise you won't hurt it. People's ran this kit for years and never had any issues. So the one thing I do recommend is if you use this kit a lot, do your oil changes sooner. Just not too much sooner, but I would make it oil changes more regular, because what happens is when you dump that raw fuel into the cylinders, it's going to go into the oil and it's going to make the oil thinner, so the oil won't be as lubricating as it's supposed to be. So make sure you do your oil changes so your motor is getting properly lubricated like it's supposed to. When we bring the drone out, don't get too excited. The drone footage didn't turn out good, so you're not going to see any drone footage. But yeah, we did have some fun shooting flames while you could see the drone following my car. So yeah, let's get into the main video. Hello. How's it going?
One eternity later.
Alright, so we're out here about to get drone shots. If the drone keeps working properly. So he wants to hold the vlog camera. Well,
Say goodbye to your boyfriend.
Okay, I volunteer you.
Motherfucker. Me? Alright,
Yeah.
fuck it, I don't care.
You said what, Mr. Drone Operator?
That scared the shit out of me.
Did it really?
Yeah, a little bit. I feel like I just shit myself.
Couldn't be me.
So when my car backfired, the cops showed up. But they were cool about it. They were just wondering if we was doing any racing, which... Does racing a drone count against a car? I'm deleting every single part. I'm putting a sensor over you.
Oh, over my face? Why?
Yeah, you're censored.
Why? Because I'm black?
Hey, I can't get demonetized now.
Tripping.
Where was it at the windshield? Like right here?
It was like right the fuck here, and I was freaking out, bro.
Imagine if it went inside.
Like this?
Yeah.
You'd be like,
Imagine if it just landed right in the sunroof and just attacked her.
you'd be the one to be like, fuck, Brad!
What?
Dude, just imagine it just falls right in the car, and then you just see the Subaru going to the woods. From her panicking.
I clinched up a little bit. I was like, oh my god.
When you're driving, you ever have that feeling that somebody's watching you? But we're done with the drone shots. I guess we're gonna get rollers, maybe, no promises, hopefully. But yeah, let's see what happens. So, I had the great idea of sparklers. So,
Yes, sir.
let's see how it works out.
Yes, sir. One leg.
Happy 4th of July. Kind of. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. So we will have some more content with the flamethrower kit. Me and JD Joyride actually have an idea with this flamethrower kit. You guys are gonna like it, and I think his followers are gonna like it too. Alrighty guys, like I said, I know there's like 87% of you guys that are not subscribed, so please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot. Us content creators work hard to push out content for you guys, and we seriously do appreciate every single one of you guys for watching. And also, please hit that like button. That also helps out a lot too. So guys, leave a comment down below, and also code Reaper to order your own flamethrower kit. Alrighty guys, so I will catch you guys in the next video.